The Smartfolio feature makes it even easier for you to take control of your crypto and funds. Keeping track of assets within the Zumo wallet is easy, and you can access the Smartfolio via the exchange screen or via a daily, weekly, or monthly notification that will appear on your wallet screen. Tap on the Exchange tab in the bottom menu. Tap the circle icon in the top left of the screen to be taken into the Smartfolio. The Smartfolio shows the total value of all your assets over time, and you can set the time frame to show how your asset values have changed within 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and all-inclusive timeframes. You can view your total assets as a pie graph or as a line graph. The lower part of this screen shows the current value of your Bitcoin and Ether and your balance. You can also initiate an exchange if you have enough funds available in your Zumo account.
And that is the Zumo Smartfolio.